When learning to draw, good instruction matters, but you also need meaningful feedback. The kind of feedback that shows you exactly what you're doing right, what needs to improve, and what you can do next. Now, all in one app, you can get access to all of my courses, guided by a dedicated AI coach who will give you feedback on your drawings. I'm proud to present my Drawing Universe app. Here's how it works. First, you'll tell the app about your drawing interests, your experience, and your creative goals. From there, a personalized learning path will be created just for you with my best-selling, award-winning courses at the foundation. But here is the real breakthrough. You can upload your drawings, and your AI coach, Evo, will evaluate them and give you specific, actionable feedback. Not generic drawing advice, but targeted guidance on exactly what you need to do to improve. The app even tracks your progress so you can see your improvement over time. Evo, your AI drawing coach, has been trained on my teaching, my methods, and my philosophy of drawing that has helped more than 1 million people learn to draw. So the guidance and feedback you get from Evo will resemble what you would get from me personally. You will get access to my entire course library, including the Drawing Laboratory, where you'll build strong foundational skills, the Art and Science of Figure Drawing, where you'll learn to draw the human figure with accuracy and expression, and the Becoming series, where you'll develop your creativity and begin creating your own unique artwork and projects. You'll also have access to additional lessons, demonstrations, and supplementary material to support your progress. Altogether, this app includes hundreds of powerful video lessons spread across numerous drawing and creativity courses. Alongside my lessons, Evo will design practice and projects tailored for you to meet you wherever you are in your drawing journey. And Evo will assess your drawings to give you the exact skills and strategies you need to reach your creative goals. This app will personalize a complete drawing education just for you. No two students get the same experience. If you're subscribed to the app, you will get access to my new courses before anybody else, and all tailored to fit your specific needs. Drawing is at the foundation of nearly every form of visual art and design, from painting and illustration to design and architecture. So in my Drawing Universe app, not only are you learning to draw, but you're gaining a foundation you can apply to any creative endeavor. Within this app is an entire universe of drawing experiences. You're not just going to watch lessons. You'll draw, you'll get personalized feedback, and you'll build real skill. Your drawing voyage begins here with my Drawing Universe app. Drawing is not a mystery. It's a skill you can learn. And now you don't have to do it alone. To learn more and get started, go to studio.com/Brent.